In this tutorial, we'll use find and replace features in Excel to search for something in your worksheet, such as a number or a text, for example. You can either just try to locate the item you're searching for, or you can replace it for something else. So this worksheet contains course codes, the course name that belongs to this course code, the number of students enrolled, the instructor teaching the course, the section name, the school name. So here we have abbreviated the school names. So BU stands for School of Business, AS stands for Arts and Science, and EN stands for Engineering. And the last column contains the class average. So let's say we want to search for course names that belong to the school name EN. So we want to search for cells that only contains the word EN. So to do this, go to the Home tab, to the Editing section, and click on Find and Select, then click on Find. Let's close it for the moment. I will show you a quicker way to access this Find menu. So hold on the Control key on your keyboard and press the F button. So F stands for Find. So now here we will type in what we are searching for. So I will type EN and select the first cell in the worksheet. Click on Find Next. So it will find number of students, and since here students contains the text EN inside of the word students, that's why it has selected this cell. And if we click on Find Next again, also it will find a word that contains the two letters EN. So we need to click on Find Next over and over and over again until we found that particular cell that only contains EN. So okay, it is very tedious to do this by clicking Find Next in a repeated way. So let's click on the Options button here, and you can see here we have two options. The first option, Match Case. So if we check this option, it will only search for case sensitive data. So let's select the first cell in the worksheet, and instead of small letter EN, we will type in capital letter EN. So now if we click on Find Next, you can see that it has disregarded the students result, and it has gone to Singe 300, and Singe contains the two capital letters EN. So let's click on Find Next, and then it will go to the school name, capital letter EN. So now let's uncheck the match case, and if we check the match entire cell contents and select the first cell in the worksheet, so this option will only search for the text that you have typed in here in the search box. So let's click on Find Next, and you can see it will go straight forward to this particular cell F12 that contains only EN. So if we click on Find Next again, it will go to the next cell that contains EN, and you can here by clicking over and over again on this button, you can find the instances of EN. So you can do this in one click also. So let's say you want to find all the instances of EN in just one click. So to do this, click on Find All, and let's stretch this box. So here it will tell you the name of the file that contains EN, the sheet name, and the cell that contain EN, and the value EN, of course. So if you click on any link, for example here, it will take you to that particular cell. And here at the lower corner, it is saying 79 cells found. So the number of cells found in this worksheet that only contains EN. Let's close this for the moment. Now let's say we want, instead of writing EN in this column, I want to replace the word en with the full word engineering. So to do this, select the first cell, go to the Home tab, to the Editing section, click on Find and Select, then click on Replace. So I will show you a quicker way to do this. So let's close this dialog, and to access the Replace window, hold on the Control key and press the H button on your keyboard. So here, keep the Find text en and replace it with engineering. So click on Find Next. It will find this cell, and you can click on Replace. It will replace the text en with engineering, and it will go to the next cell that contains en. So you can click again on Replace. It will replace it and go to the next cell. And also you can change all instances of en to engineering in one click. So you can click on Replace All, and it will say all done. We made 77 replacements. So it has changed 77 en to engineering. So let's click on OK, and let's close this dialog box. So go ahead and try these techniques by yourself.